It's a llama corn. Hey everyone, this portion of Stuff and Things is brought to you by the Sonoran Desert Institute. If you've ever been curious about learning how to fly drones, or maybe you've thought about pursuing a career in unmanned technology, SDI has the tools to help you out. SDI courses provide you with high-level unmanned technology education from the comfort of your own home. Topics include drone programming, project management, unmanned engineering topics, and a lot more, all online with materials shipped right to your door. So if you're interested in learning how to fly a drone and everything that comes with it, check out sdi.edu or give this number a call and get started today. Thank you to SDI for sponsoring this portion of Stuff and Things. Good morning, everyone. Back with another episode of Stuff and Things. Ashley and I are back in Ouray. We left the hot springs early this morning. Just had breakfast at Campbell's. This place is super bomb. Eggs Benedict, my favorite thing.
So good.
So for today's video, we have a little bit more of a plan compared to yesterday or the previous video. We're going to be taking the van a little bit south of here on the $1 Million Highway. Now, the $1 Million Highway is the road that essentially connects Ouray down to Durango. Last summer, when Ashley and I were out traveling in the van, we went from Durango all the way up to about Purgatory Resort, which is kind of like halfway. So today we're on the north side of that, currently in Ouray, and we're going to go up into the mountains, but technically down south on the $1 Million Highway, one of the most scenic roads in the country. From what I've heard, the drive can be pretty treacherous. There's no guardrails because avalanches all throughout this area will just simply destroy them. The ride from here down to Silverton, which we're going to be doing right now, we're going to be on, I believe, the cliff side of the road, and then on the way back we'll be on the inside. So on the way down it might be a little bit more nerve-wracking than on the way out, but it's just a road. People drive it all the time. So I think I'm going to let Ashley drive the van on the $1 Million Highway while I film. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the views.
Okay. Ready?
This might be the last video you ever see of me, guys. And just like that, we are now in Silverton, Colorado. That was probably the most scenic drive on the $1 Million Highway. Ashley and I have been on the southern side of this, like down towards Durango. And then this is actually a loop, or you can make it a loop by going all the way around, kind of up to Telluride, like around the San Juan Mountains. We don't have time to do that this weekend, but we've already seen a lot of it, so I'm just glad we got to see the whole Red Mountain Pass area. Do you know why they call it the $1 Million Highway?
Because it's beautiful.
There's speculations. 1, $1 million views, or whole mining area. People are becoming millionaires right there.
Makes sense.
Or 3, some people think that highway cost $1 million to make. I can tell you it's way more than that. And also, some people say, I wouldn't drive that road for $1 million.
So many options.
I would do it.
I just did it.
I think it's because of the mining town, but
I think it's because of the $1 million views.
we're gonna grab some things at this little grocery store here and then probably head right back the way we just came down to make our way up to Telluride. Stop there for lunch, maybe look for a camp spot, check out the town a little bit. It's gonna be a good day.
I wanted to hold your hand.
Welcome to Telluride, Colorado. Got the ski resort over here. Sat vans parked back there. Got free 2-hour parking. Now we're just gonna walk around downtown. Ashley needs new shoes because she destroyed them in yesterday's video while mountain biking.
Toes coming through, y'all.
There's a thrift shop right there with a big polar bear sitting outside. I'm gonna check that out.
Is your dog friendly?
He is very friendly. Except when he bites. No, he's very friendly. I'm the spin dog.
Man cave.
Skis. Looks like the dog.
He's so cute.
CDs. What are those? Snowboard boots. Successful mission.
Yes.
No more holes in your shoe.
Nope.
Hi there.
It's a llama corn.
You ever see The Emperor's New Groove?
Yeah. No.
Now we're talking. Meep, meep.
Ooh.
Access cab?
It is an Access cab Tacoma. You don't see those very often.
I synced it.
It's right there. So we just had a little pre-game for lunch. It's already like 4 o'clock though. We had a charcuterie board, had some drinks, and now we're going to grab lunch before leaving Telluride to go to our camp spot for the night. This entire trip we've been doing kind of like touristy stuff, just visiting these towns. Good one.
It caught in my throat.
But tonight we actually want to go out and camp. So got a spot in mind, and it'll put us like halfway back to home. So we're gonna grab lunch quick and hit the road.
Sorry.
You tell me.
Buena Vista.
Good morning once again, everyone. This is going to be our last stop for today's video. Made it out of Telluride yesterday. Had about a 4-hour drive. So we decided to come closer back to home. That way we don't have just a crazy long drive today. We got some stuff to do, things to take care of. So we decided on Buena Vista, where we're at right now. We actually did some proper camping last night. We didn't roll into this camp spot until about 9 o'clock at night. So came up washboard roads. There's quite a few people out here because right now it is Saturday, well now Sunday. So it's the weekend, there's a bunch of people out here, but we found a nice quiet spot up here all by ourselves. Beautiful views. Cooked a little dinner. We had some microwavable chicken fried rice, Yellowbird on there, and it's been pretty relaxing. Now what do you want to do today? You gonna take some photos?
Yep. I'm gonna try.
Do it. So Ashley's gonna take a few photos and I'm going to do the same. I really haven't taken any photos of the van like this entire trip, so gotta do that. You guys can find all that stuff over on my Instagram, so check that out in the description down below. Got some upcoming travel this week, which will be the next video you guys see, so if you want to stick around and figure out where I'm going, consider clicking subscribe. I make new videos every week. As always, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one.